India is moving towards self-reliance, emerging as a leader in clean energy. ReNew, a global decarbonization solutions provider, has taken giant strides towards its Make in India vision. With its all-new state-of-the-art 4 gigawatt solar module manufacturing facility. Located strategically at Jaipur, Rajasthan, the plant is also well connected to the nearby docks, airports and also railway stations. Spread over a massive 22 acres, that's as big as 12 football fields. This is amongst the largest module manufacturing facilities in India, with 4 gigawatt capacity under one single roof. That's almost 15,000 solar modules produced every single day. Highly automated with cutting-edge manufacturing technologies, it's in line with Industry 4.0 standards and embraces Lean Six Sigma. Every process is guided by the principles of Kaizen and Pokayoke.
ReNew is taking another giant stride towards our purpose to create a carbon-free world. A small but significant step towards an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our Jaipur plant is the first manufacturing facility to be commissioned under the Solar Manufacturing PLI scheme of the Government of India.
And at the heart of this plant is a focus on sustainability. This will be one of the few LEED Gold certified solar module manufacturing facilities in India, funneling excess water into an internal sewage treatment plant and then diverting it for gardening. A rooftop solar PV system will generate part of the plant's power requirement.
With our focus on community development and diversity and inclusion, this plant will create more than 1,400 direct jobs with a dedicated endeavor towards encouraging women in STEM. I am beyond excited as we continue to shape the future of energy. Together, let's make the world cleaner, greener and brighter.